Yeah, so but if you're wanting to learn, well, just subscribe to my channel and you'll get me every time I'm putting on a show. I'm doing a video every 3 days at the moment, and it'll be every two days shortly. Now does that need to come up just a tad? And up just a tittle diddle. Once you've got the hang of the basics, you're pretty well right. You know, like cutting your tile, putting the glue on. Yeah, it's just a few little hints and you should be home and hose, ready to do your own tiling. But yeah, hit the button and subscribe. Right, now you see with that one now, if I put that one in first, then I've got something to put my tile to be able to mark that. So we put that one in first. The reason why I don't spread my wall is because the glue will skin, because it's that hot. The glue will skin before I even get the tile on. And if you see some bodgy bob jobs getting pulled up and the tiles are just falling off, well, that's one of the main reasons why the tile does fall off, because the glue has skinned from spreading too much on your wall. A hot day, it skins, you're pressing your tile in place. Not good. You always put your plastic clips in whenever you're putting one tile up to the other, because if there's nothing there, 9 times out of 10 it will hit and chip. Hello, where's your pen gone? So we'll go up there, there, where's something to I don't use a tape. There's always a piece of tile more handier. Let's go out and cut this sucker. That's the doggy door. Haha, there's the little puppy dog there. These are actually pretty easy to drill a hole through because they're pretty soft. So I was actually just showing off. No, they're a soft tile, so they don't take a lot to cut through. I'm doing something what I shouldn't do because it's a pretty damn tight. It's a pretty damn tight fit. But I don't want to put it on. You must not put it on without protection, because if you scratch it, you're in trouble.